So we've gotten the look that we're going for, and it's just beautiful. Look at that. We've got right? Again, minimal heat. So we are going to take the ones that are ready. Whew. This is why I told you I don't like frying. It's quite risky sometimes, but no reward without risk, right? Yeah. Steffi, go back. It will bend you. Go back. The oil will bend you. Please go back. Good. I'm coming. I'm coming to give you some of the meat. Okay. So, do you know the meat you ate the first time? Do you know the meat you ate? The meat that you ate that you said you are enjoying. Do you know what meat it was? Go back. The oil will burn you. Come and stand behind me, please. It was dark meat. Dark. Yes, dark meat. Did you enjoy it? Hey, but you said it was very nice. You wanted more. You thought it was goat meat. No, it was dark meat. And you enjoyed it. Yeah. Now I'm going to give you four. No, it's dark meat. If you go back, it will burn you. So these ones are almost ready, but there is space here. So I'm going to add a new batch. And this is when sometimes it gets dangerous because the oil begins to fly around. And I told you, I'm not a fan of that. Woo. So as usual, if you are salivating, first subscribe to the channel and then go to the comment section and write that you are salivating. But hey, you see, one of the reasons I like to cook in particular is it helps with your health because you know what you are eating. Mostly, I prefer to cook as against going out to eat because you control what you eat. And then two, you also know what is in the food. For those of you who have watched all the episodes of this dish, right from the inception of getting the animals from the farm, um, blending the natural spices, mixing it up, everything to now, you realize that I know what I've prepared my food with. So health wise, I know what I'm eating. I'm safe. I know the conditions under which the food was prepared. I was able to control that and make sure that I'm preparing it under hygienic conditions. You don't have control of all these things if you are buying food from outside. The second reason also is that it's very, very affordable to cook as compared to always eating out. So these are some things you can consider. And also, it's a form of bonding time for the family. I'm cooking this for my family actually. Yeah, I'll be adding some vegetable rice, some sauce, and other things. You see all that in my subsequent videos after watching this one. This is an excellent family time. You heard my kids in the background calling for more meat. You know, we still go out to eat sometimes just to mix it up. But all I'm saying is, especially as a father, be deliberate about creating such moments with your family. It's very, very important. If you agree with me, let me know in the comment section. If it's something you're already doing, let me know in the comment section. If you also have certain traditions you've built with your family, let me know in the comment section. We learn from each other and grow together. So this is the last batch, and I've had to video from afar. I'm zooming because the oil is just crazy. It keeps splashing and it's crazy out here. But hey, I'm having a great time cooking for my family. You can try this at home. It's really nice. We are going to enjoy this with rice. We will also enjoy it sometimes with fried yam. I'm going to prepare two different sauces, one with the duck, one with the pork. And then I'm going to do some of the spicy pork version of it and also a vegetable spice combination with the duck, a quantity of the duck set aside. So I'm going for variety and I wish you were here to have a taste of it. Honestly, I wish you were here to have a taste of it. But anytime you feel like enjoying this, just come to the channel, watch the video. You can pick the ingredients, pork, and then the other one is also with duck. And then the rest, you just pick the spices, ginger, onion, garlic, green habanero, some salt. You mix it up appropriately and proportionately. You add a bit of water, you steam under mild heat, you are good to go. The same spices were applied to the pork. And so the final batch of the pork is ready. Just hold on as I dish it out. I hope this oil doesn't mess me up again. I'm having a terrible time here with this oil. Whew! I told you. Hey, that's crazy, man. I'm sure some of you may be wondering, where did this guy learn to cook? Yeah. Well, I think it's also from how I was brought up. I started cooking at an early age for my family. As early as the age of 9 years, I was already in the kitchen helping out and learning. So by the age of 12 to 13 years, there were times when there wouldn't be anyone at home to help with food preparation, and I happened to be at home. So sometimes the moment the adults are in, maybe the adult who knows how to cook, who is at home may not be that conversant. So I'll have to be teaching the person sometimes. And that was how I honed my cooking craft. Yeah. And now I'm here. So at the age of 18, I was cooking for my family, and I've stuck onto that skill since. So some people say that my wife is lucky because sometimes she can rest and I'll do this. And I'm happy and proud to do this. I'm done with the pork. Yeah. Okay. Good. So I'm going to chop up my vegetables and start with the sauce. You can see that in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, just go to the comment section and let me know. Let me know what you learned from this as compared to what you already knew, per what you are where you are watching from. I'll catch you on the next video.